Okay, so here I am waking up. It was super early in the morning and I did not want to wake up, but I knew I had to, so I put on my sweater because it's really cold in the morning, and then I had a Zoom meeting, so I normally put either my hoodie on. If it's really bad, I'll put on a beanie, which I'm doing here. Yeah, my hair was a mess. Then I had to take my retainers out and brush my teeth. I have class at 8. It is 7:44 right now. I don't normally wake up this early. Usually I'm like running. So I think I'm gonna go make coffee and check my BBC work. So I ended up not having a Zoom meeting for that class, which I normally do.
Brush your teeth and get ready for your Zoom meeting.
What color is the sky? And your Lord, I know.
Wow. Why do I sound like that? Everybody's working from home, and I guess he's having some network issues. So we have to, so we aren't having a class today. Normally we have like a 2-hour Zoom with him, and take notes for 2 hours. Okay, so our block schedule, everybody's block schedule, I feel like in high school is different. At my school, Mondays we have 1st, 3rd, and 5th. And then Tuesdays we have 2nd, 4th, and 6th. And then on Wednesdays we have nothing. We just have, it used to be called Cougar Culture. I don't really know what it's called now. But we just answer a question, and it's pretty much a catch-up day for everybody. Here I'm doing ERWC work, just plain simple work, and I played driver's license. I've been listening to it on end for the past like 3 days, and then I got assigned work from my economics class. Then I just turned in all of my stuff that I finished over the past hour or so. Then this is what it looks like when I'm in the dining room with my sisters, who are also doing their homework and just at school. And then this was the ED puzzle. I hate videos like this. I absolutely despise them. They disgust me, but I actually have to watch them because I couldn't even fast forward. It's actually locked. You could see it. So it is currently 9:30. I have geology at 9:40, but we only have meetings for that class on Fridays. So I don't have a meeting, I just have to do my attendance, and I already finished the work for the week, which was like 8 assignments, like some easy reading and then answering questions. So I finished that all yesterday, so I didn't have to deal with it. My mom and I are filming Wingstop today, so we are gonna go get our Target pickup, which they come to your car and they put it in your trunk, so we aren't going inside. And then we're going to Wingstop to get the food. Oh, she already posted it. So we're gonna go do my attendance. Like I said, this is my attendance for geology. You just have to answer a question, whatever question that is for that day, and then you just put your name to show that you're there in class. I'm literally sitting here just on TikTok and occasionally watching YouTube. Yeah, I'm gonna go see what my mom's doing, maybe hang out with her for a little bit. We on our way. My mom's getting the keys, but I might have to get out at Wingstop really quick. Coming. I have 2 minutes left on this card. Oh, you can't even see her.
You can. Her loading.
Oh wait, you can see my eye. I'm all like. Then we got to Wingstop and I'm just waiting for my mom. She was trying to call, but then she ended up having to go inside and order. Time goes by way too fast. Come on, come on. Smell immaculate.
Dude, it smells so...
Look, I don't even want to get ready. I just want to film.
Now. Drunk on food.
I'm gonna set up while my mom gets ready because I'm not doing my makeup. And after we filmed, my mom, dad, and I were just talking, and then we just chilled for about 2 hours just because we were doing stuff all day, and then we like to chill sometimes. But most of the time we're like cleaning and whatnot, but we actually did want to just sit still for once. Oh, they're so cute. I didn't look at them. And then we're watching 911. We are really into the show right now. We watched, I think, 3 episodes today. And then I wanted to work out, so here is the video I'm doing. Her name is Rosie Graham. I think that's how you say it. I'm not really sure. And I finished working out and I showered. After my shower, I went to edit my mom's video. I edit 1 video a week. Just to help out so that she can do whatever she needs to do. Whenever she can't edit, I edit for her. Just once a week, honestly. Then we played Killing Floor. We play this about every other day. We played for about 2 hours. It's a really, really fun game, and I honestly love it very much. And yeah, so normally every other day we'll play either this game or we'll play Destiny or a board game just to have like some family time. And then I ate half of a bean burrito with tapatio. Hey guys, so that's pretty much this video. pretty much a regular day in my life. So it is 9:30, but since it's a Tuesday, I'm gonna go to bed a little bit later. But for now, I'm just gonna watch TV and watch TikTok or whatever. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Basically, kind of like a vlog, but also not, because it's more like voiceover. But yeah, I will see you guys in my next video.